It's a fine dawn morning on the 24th June. How are you feeling?
I'm excited because we're flying to Tenerife. Tenerife.
Tenerife. Can I get a Tenerife?
I'm sleep deprived.
Yeah.
I'm very tired.
Yeah.
But we're excited because we're flying.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
And you know how last time Maya here said that I've got a very tiny bag? Do you want to see my bag this time around?
It's even tinier.
Whoop, whoop. Do you know what? I find, luggage being a hassle on budget flights, so I thought I'd go smaller. And Maya's joined me. She's only got one working wheel. This is going to be fun. Me and Mav are both out, but you can see my mum and grandmom, they've been stopped. Just delaying us, innit? Like, we need to teach them how to travel.
I wonder what they have.
Me too, you know. Tenerife. We've recently went to Lanzarote, so we thought we'd dedicate this entire series to the Canaries. Now, check out the backdrop. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. It's been about 2 hours since I've got here. An absolute journey. This is got an apartment here. This time around I thought I'd make it a bit interesting, so it coincides with my 31st birthday. I've got a group including family. You good? How's it going? Yeah. And it's just going to be crazy. I don't know what to expect. Adjacent rooms, so I gotta be careful what I do here on this balcony. You get me? See, Maya's a bit tired, so she's been sleeping, but I'm sure she'll come out and say hi to you folks very soon. Let the show begin. The beachfront. Why are you looking at the camera for? Video. How's that stroll? Yeah.
Are we seriously going tonight?
Yeah, we're going tonight. No, we're going tonight, innit? We're ready for our first venture of the first night. How are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah. Everyone's tired. There's an aroma of tiredness in the air.
Well, never in my life have I thought, oh, I'm gonna skip a night out and maybe go to bed. That's never happened before.
Yeah?
But it's happening tonight.
So you're gonna skip a night out? Let's see.
Never.
Let's find out.
Never.
Alright, so you know how we mentioned that we're not alone? You wanna meet the guys? You wanna meet the should we show them the clan? The clan's a bit busy right now, and I'm gonna come back to you. Just waiting for her to wake up. Should we go on a hike?
Anything non-hike related.
So I've got plans to go to Mount Teide, which is the highest point in Spain. Excuse me. Is it okay?
Hey, my back hurts. My back and my
So my mother and grandma out before even me. Like it's nuts. Oh, what's this?
Hello.
Alright, so we've just got a car. We're ready for our road trip. Are we ready for the road trip?
Yeah.
Road trip! Whoop, whoop. So this is a right-hand drive compared to the traditional left-hand drive in the UK. It's going to be fun. We did something similar in Ayia Napa. Can I get quiet on set, please? So I've just got a bit of a bollocking. The drive here is so steep. There's 2 hours left to go. I want to try and visit the mountain, but I'm hearing no's. Oh, good fun. That's the vehicle there, a little Clio. And yeah, look at the view. It's peaceful. Look how peaceful it is.
We're basically driving uphill, and it's so steep. You cannot imagine. If you just want to pan over there quickly, that's how steep the roads are. That's actually a good road, right? So it's so stressful. His mum is stressed. I'm panicking. I'm holding on for dear life. His grandma is praying.
Yeah.
And this guy wants to keep on going. Why?
Yeah, why not? The thing is, there's over 300 volcanoes on Tenerife. Did you know that? Fun fact. The veil doesn't start to stop, so I managed to convince the party that, you know what, it's a good idea, and this is what we're seeing. Look at that. Oh, flip the camera around. Look at that landscape right here in Tenerife. It was worth that road trip. Turns out it was an inside road. How was it?
Good, we're still on our way. 15 minutes.
I should have brought my bike. How was it?
Heartbreaking.
So we're gonna carry on with this journey, innit? We're not gonna stop right here, but you can see we're eye level with the clouds. Look at that, that's phenomenal. Wanna jump in? Wanna take the leap of faith?
Yeah, after you.
Why you were praying? Yeah, why were you praying?
Yeah.
Why were you praying? Was it worth it? So we finally arrived at our destination. See some secondary, tertiary mountain-like structures, possibly volcanoes. There are over 300 here. That's Mount Teide. There is a cable car to take you up, see what the plan is, and this is the land surrounding it. How are you going to cross this? I mean, look at the texture.
Please don't make me cross this.
Just watch out for the lizards. I'm surprised you're not scared of lizards, you know? Good on you. Come on. This one's a video. Give us a dance. Brilliant.
Oh, look, another one.
Here's a close-up of the lizard. Where?
There.
Mav is a lizard hunting. How's that for a hobby in here in Tenerife? Ooh, there's one. Look at that. Is it a lizard or is it a gecko? I feel like David Attenborough.
I think it's a lizard.
Is it a chameleon?
Oh,
Pretty
I've
camouflage.
never touched
Look at that, it's posing. Hey, little fella.
You know what I love about it? It's so camouflaged.
Yeah, so it could be a chameleon.
Oh, I think it is a chameleon. Oh yeah, look, they're changing colours.
Can you see them change colours?
I have never seen that before in my life. Look, slowly, look, it changes the tint.
Bro, it's like the Vel, man. Like, stay in one spot, love.
Look, it should go beige now. Oh.
Alright, just focusing in on this one cactus that's just upright and erected amongst this very vast and colourful landscape.
We call it the Devel.
Do you think so?
Because it's just in the middle of nowhere and it
wants
to exist.
Ooh, there's the lizard again.
Look. Zoom in. It's changing colours. It's turning pink. On the back. Look, its back starts changing colours.
Don't come near me, bro. Where's it going? The lava ended up.
Oh, okay.
The splurt goes boom, boom, rah, rah. Yeah, that's why I took my hat off. Just watch out for the, what mantis was it? The deadly mantis? No.
There's this insect around here that's
the
got
praying mantis.
હવે તમે રીચ થઈ ગઈ કે બહુ અમને બધા મારતા હતા લૂંટતા હતા
So we had to take a quick pit stop. The tires are burning due to the friction when we're coming down from that steep hill. It's just absolutely nuts, isn't it? Can smell the rubber. Quick check on everyone. How's it? How's the view?
Nice.
Are you right in there?
Hi.
So a quick stop. Give the car a bit of rest. Mad steep incline. Mad steep. So we're an hour away as part of this road trip. We're in search for food. There's buildings everywhere. It's nice and colourful actually. Do you want to see? It's very colourful, delightful to live here. Look at all the coloured houses. Left, yeah? Yeah, you know, this is how you verify. You know what? This is why you'd live longer here. Because you've got stimulating buildings and architecture. Anyway, I need to save my battery. See you in a bit. I had to stop and show you folks this. I've got the others waiting back at the car. Take a look at this. The church bells just rang. I'm gonna pan out. How cool is that? So I've been dragged to a shopping trip here in Tenerife. Check out the mall.
As long as it doesn't hurt.
So we're in a shop that's called Chinatown, and it's just absolutely insane. This is just amazing. I'm going through aisles and aisles of absolute merchandise here from China, here in Chinatown in Tenerife. I hope you can catch the backdrop behind me. It's brilliant. Like, whatever you need, I can see it here. Funny thing is, I don't need anything. Shall we go find my peeps who do? Oh, check out some of the artwork. It's absolutely fab. 15 cents. So folks, I'm 31 today, and here I am in Tenerife. Can't believe it, about to start this dirty decade. Let's see how it goes, eh? It's been fun. It's going to be fun. Welcome to Los Cristianos. Everywhere in Tenerife is absolutely beautiful. 10/10. Look at that tree. This is what I call celebrating a birthday, walking up to a view like that. Let's do a 360. Yeah. It's part of a harbour. You can see the harbour on that side on my left. Mountainous views around, palm trees, landscapes. It's got it all. All right. Sandy, time to get sandy. This one's for Maya, innit? Why are you always sleeping? Mr. Mekada, kay kalebeli datay. Some more shopping in the hidden alleys of Los Cristianos. Dum dum dum. Bit of cloud, but the sun's breaking through. You know, we like a bit of sun. Yeah, people, how's it going? We've got UK representatives every centimeter away. Is this the place to be? Hashtag Peyton Patel. This is exactly what I came for. We've got the cloud cover, like that's the cloud cover, isn't it? We want that to disappear. Where's she going?
So I'm in holiday mode now.
Yeah? You got a book for tomorrow?
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
Why did I pay for this then?
Pay for what?
Hold on, come back.
Where are you chilling? How you doing, man? You
Happy
good?
birthday, my guy.
Cheers, man.
What are you telling me?
Yeah, not too bad.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Birthday.
I'm good, man. How are you? You say
You
what? You good? How you doing, man? You good?
How's your birthday?
It's alright, you know, 31, it gets to you, bro. I'm aging, I'm hearing cracks and whatnot, but every day I turn. Sick. Cheers, man. Innit? Look at that backdrop. Tenerife. It has everything. Mountains, volcanoes. I think the latter is the subset of the former. Palm trees, surfers. Can't wait to say hi to the ocean here. It's gotta be done. Left my SpongeBob at home, but we can always come back. How you feeling, Mav?
Good, ready to sunbathe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's time to go in the water. Shall we go into the water?
Went into every shop saying papel. Papel, por favor.
Por favor, we're waiting for the massage at the back. If you can see, we're booked in. My grandma's already had hers. How's your massage?
Afraid.
Is it good? Yeah, a bit of reflexology by the beach is nice. What's the entertainment today? You gonna go join them? So we've checked out and we're now walking for the local bus. We're a bit lost. It's crazy. I've never seen Mav walk so fast. How's Tenerife?
Nice. Nice. Tenerife.
Yeah. It's been a month and then I've been like questioning them, where are we going, where are we going, where are we going? Check out that though.
spent so long finding directions in the hotel. What were you doing? Were you playing Jenga? Were you playing snakes? Were you pretending?
How's the walk?
Long walk.
Nearly there. We just need to go at that top there. We're there. We're there. Just find a flat surface and keep walking. Slowly, just take your time. I mean, sometimes the hike is worth it, but people don't realize the hard road is probably the best road. Check out that. This is it, folks. 5 days is absolute madness. You're about to leave Tenerife. How do you feel? Okay, that's hers. You're about to say bye to Tenerife.
Bye, Canary.
How's it been? Good?
Very nice, very good.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Would you come back again?
Yeah.
Would you do what I did again? I'm so annoyed, innit? So annoyed. I feel like I came from a holiday. I'm driving back from the airport and I have a flat tire. And all I want to do is sleep. I need another holiday already. It's been 2 minutes I've stepped in the country.